Whoa, guys, it's me, Little Nut, but I'm changing my name back to Scratch Tutorials now because. Okay, guys, so we're gonna continue the shooter game. Okay, so last time we made the enemies, and yeah, that was all cool, fun and games, right? Well, now we are gonna make the health for this man, for this one right here. Okay, so we are gonna make a new variable. So make one called health man. Okay, so at the beginning of the game, we are gonna set it. We're gonna set the variable to whatever we think is fit. So I think I'm gonna just set it to 5 for now, okay? We already have everything set up to where it would be like super easy to do health. So it's like almost like I wouldn't even have to do this right now, but I am going to do it. Okay, all we have to do is if you want different enemies to change to like hurt more than others, then we can just change this by -1. So it's gonna change health by 1. This one is going to change health by 2, and then this one is going to change health by 3 or -3, so it takes away the health. Okay, now let's see if it works. Ah, no, it got taken away by 1, you know? So, any more zombies gonna come? You know? Ah, I got taken down to health number 1. Yeah, and then, oh, my health is less than 0. Okay, so, oh, try again. Okay. Hopefully it saves. Okay, so I have it to the same point we had it before. And so we are going to make a new sprite, and we are just going to call it health. Okay, so in this sprite, you can make any form of health you would like. Like, I'm just going to do like just hearts now. Okay, but we are only going to actually need 1 heart. See how good this heart is? It's a very good heart. We are gonna, in this, we're gonna make this display as 5 hearts with variables. Okay, guys, I just called up my buddy Chuck, and he's actually gonna make the list. He is gonna make the list tutorial, and I'm gonna upload that on this channel. So thanks, Chuck. We are gonna paint a sprite, and this is just gonna be the end. Okay, this is just gonna be that. Okay, so we are just gonna say when this is clicked forever, if health man equals less than 1, which is 0 and on, then it's going to show go to front layer, but then when it's clicked, it's gonna hide. Okay, so now let's see if this works. Okay, let's see. Boom, boom, come on, boom, the end. Alright, guys, so I know this video is kind of short. It's kind of like a video of me coming back. So this is short. The list video will be coming out soon for this, so just be ready for that. You know, gamers, keep up the scratching, and see you next time. Bye.